Good morning, y'all. For some of y'all who's watching this at night, good evening, whatever it is for time of day for y'all. It's morning for me, y'all. Your boy actually just got up. I know I look good on the wake up, you know what I'm saying? I look like $1,000,000, like, just woke up, you know what I'm saying? Sexy ass nigga. Anyways, y'all, I am actually going to take you guys through a day of my life. Not only just as like a guy, like a car guy, whatever, but more so on the 2Gs in New York City. You guys are going to get a little bit to know me as a person a little bit today. And at the same time, you get to see like what it's like having the Gs. Because I really don't ever show the G35 actually going anywhere. Like anywhere at all. And that's kind of because I don't really drive that car, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, it's sitting in the driveway for fake. It's sitting in the driveway. So today I'm gonna use that car. I gotta take that car to go to work. The G37 actually has to get dropped off today for a paint correction, which is gonna look phenomenal, y'all. I cannot wait to see the G37 after it's gonna pre-corrected. After that, I got a couple of errands I gotta run. Your boy got work still, so I'm sure what it's like me, like, you know, my professional attire or my actual, you know, working like on my day and shit. And y'all, I got a lot of stuff to show y'all. So y'all gonna see that all in these next like couple of clips and whatnot. I'll see y'all in the next fit, bro. Peace. Boy got distracted, hella, OD, not gonna lie. I was supposed to record when I was dropping off the G. Wait, I forgot to record, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. My bad, y'all. I know, L YouTuber, bro, L content creator, yeah, bro, my bad. I just dropped off the 37 to get paint correction, y'all, cause it just got some mad swirls and stuff. I don't know if I have some before and afters. I know he's gonna take some before and after shots. If he does, I'll use the before and after shots he take and show y'all what it look like. But bro, I'm gonna take care of the G. After when I come pick it up, I'm gonna show y'all the business and stuff like that, so you can see like, you know, where I got my shit done at. If y'all want to get yours done, cause I seen his work and his work is top tier, bro. So realistically, G gonna get paint corrected. Now your boy gotta head to work. I gotta take the 35, which I never took the 35 to work. So that's like a low key, like a switch up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just a switch up, cause I never had to take that car to work yet. So it's a little weird, and I feel weird every time I gotta drop off my keys somewhere, y'all. Like I just hate that feeling, bro. Dropping off the keys and giving it to somebody else. It's like, who are you, bro? You're a stranger. I've been driving this car for years. You're a stranger that's just gonna just have my car. This keys just handed to you. But anyways, y'all, I'm chatting right now, yeah. So the G, that's done. So let's go fucking head to work.
A few moments later.
Y'all, we're in the G35. We're driving. This thing is slow as fuck, bro. Y'all hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear that noise. It's pissing me off. I don't know how loud I gotta be if y'all can hear me. I don't know nothing right now. The really broke down, damn. But why is this nigga on my ass, bro? It's Kia. It's like on me, bro. Back up, bro. He just been following me, bro. I'm in the slow lane. Nigga, like, go over, bro. My plate literally says slow G35. You're gonna fucking tail me, bro? Anyways, y'all. Back to what I was saying, yeah. That noise is pissing me off, bro. And I'm pretty sure it's the alignment, bro. Like the rear arms, bro. I think the traction arm is fucked, bro. Like it's just bad. So like when I'm turning right, the sound goes away a little bit. And when I turn left, it comes back. But it's not the front, y'all. It's not the front. I tested it, everything. It is the rear. It's just that the wheel is, I guess, like tilted, like, was it camber toed? Whatever it is. Like it's tilted to the right. So when I turn right, it's like it has like all-wheel steering and it's fine. But when I turn left, it's like, whoa, I can't move that way. Slow down, nigga. Fuck you doing, little nigga? All right, bro. I'm trying to keep it like chill. Like I ain't trying to like drive the car too hard, because this is like honestly the furthest drive this car's ever been on, bro. Like this is the furthest drive this car's ever been, bro. So we're gonna see y'all. I'll catch y'all when I get to work. All right, y'all, your boy's here. I'm at work, so we're at the job, you know what I'm saying? I got my desk and stuff. Not gotta do too much right now. But the G35 is here. It got here safely, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I made it in one piece. The only thing I'm gonna have a problem with is that suspension, y'all. It starts to make a different noise. Like, I'm pretty sure it's just that bushing in that suspension is bad for the traction arm. So, like, when the wheel is spinning, it's spinning, and it's like the wheel's like wobbling a little bit. And I think that's what's like causing it to make that noise. So, I'm gonna order some new arms. I'm probably gonna order it today at work. I ain't like rich nigga nothing like that, but I'll probably order some adjustable arms right now just to get it out of the way. And I'm gonna throw them on when they come. And I hope, hopefully now, I hope they work, y'all. Not gonna lie. I hope that fixes the problem. If that don't fix the problem, maybe it's the diff, like the rear diff fluid needs to be drained and filled or something like that. So I kind of was thinking that, but I was like, nah, it sounds too much for it to be the diff. You know what I'm saying? It sounds louder when the car's on the road, like with load and stuff, which gives me the idea of suspension. But anyways, y'all, I'm at work. I gotta get to work. I can't show y'all my job and like what I do for work just because some of it is confidential. Like how would you call that? I don't remember the words, but like I just know I can't show some of the stuff I do because I deal with like lawyers, real estate, and money, and I can't like snitch on that stuff, all that stuff. So I'm gonna get to work, y'all. Maybe one day I probably could, like, I forgot what I could talk about my job and how I could talk about it, and I'll tell you, like, you know, what your boy does for work, because got the tri monitor set up, bro. That's just fire, bro. That is not my mug. That is not my pink mug. I swear it's not. Someone else is on my desk sometimes. It's her mug. So chill. You know what I'm saying? My cup right here. But anyways, y'all, I got the tri monitor set up. That's hard, bro. I'll catch y'all after work, because we got some stuff to get done, y'all. Y'all gonna see that little behind the scenes of me recording, bro. Like, I actually recording a video. And like what it's like recording like my YouTube videos and stuff and what I go through. Yo, this is not work related, bro, but look at this bullshit, bro. Like, come on, bro. I took a L, bro. I don't know if any of y'all buy shoes or anything like that. I'm a big into buy sneakers. Like, I just got the Undefeated 4. It's got a double up. I was trying to get these, bro, Supreme Dunks. I ain't gonna lie though, this is not even my size. I was just gonna sell them just because I be selling shoes every now and then. Cause like, bro, look at that, bro. That blue pair, 11.5, bro. Peep StockX price, bro, $273, bro. That's like a 130 shoe. You know what I'm saying? It's probably gonna drop a little bit, maybe about 5 to like 8% after like pairs to go out and stuff. But still, bro, you know what I'm saying? That would've been tough, bro. I got the goddamn sneakers right here, running Discord, making sure I keep up with like monitors, and I got the sneakers. I was trying, bro, but I took a L, bro. Not gonna lie. Yo, what is up, y'all? Actually, I kind of scan behind the scenes right now. Obviously, I look like I changed, you know what I'm saying? Still wearing the same color, you know what I'm saying? I got the pants on, I'm still fly as fuck, got the ones on, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all shoes, y'all know this ain't no regular Chicago's or nothing like that. But I'm actually just finished recording a video, y'all, on the G37. You guys gonna see that shortly on the channel. Just do a little update on the car, you know what I'm saying? Where the car is at, like conditioning, all that stuff. It looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, but as y'all know from today, it's not perfect, you know what I'm saying? But that's what I just did, bro. I'm actually about to change back my clothes, bro. You know what I'm saying? Get back in the car, roll the windows up. Got 5% tint, so just, you know what I'm saying? Change my clothes and pop back into the office because I'm actually not doing work. I'm just on my lunch right now. Maybe it's like a kind of like an extended lunch break. But anyways, I'm on a lunch break right now, so I'm just gonna like, you know, wrap it up right now. Change back into my clothes. Probably take some flicks in the car too. I brought my camera with me too. Probably take some flicks while I'm out here. I don't really have like a lot of pictures in this car, to be honest. So get some flicks and then head up out of here, y'all. Yo, what is up, y'all? We back at the crib, bro. I did actually stop at my man's house just because I wanted to talk to him real quick about some stuff. We're trying to work out some content, like ideas and whatnot, like making sure we get some stuff together. Just to, you know, like, he's like really big into content. Like, bro, yo, actually, y'all, I'm plugging too, like the young Vic, bro. Like, I should check him out, bro. Right now, he got the ab tails going on.
Jelly on that.
We like Marlon and
Mike. Yo, come on, get on. I bet. On the back of the bike, Marley and Mike, like flagging them down for attention. Look, pow.
And like, I just feel, I was like, I could, my car like, island mad rough right now. Anyways, I was saying I could be part of the ab tails, you know what I'm saying, help out with some content because he goes help me out, bro. Like, he always helping me out, bro. So if he ever needs some help, I got him, bro. He be helping me out record my content for my car stuff sometimes. So I'm telling like, yo, bro, I can help you with the ab tails and whatnot. But the G's back at the crib ski, bro. It feels so weird, bro, only having one G in the driveway, y'all. Just because, like, you know, obviously we used to have a boat, but it's all good, man. It's all good. I saw a picture of what the 37 looking like right now, y'all. Oh my God, it looks beautiful. This car right now, listen to this motor, y'all. That's a healthy motor, bro. That right there is a healthy motor. I could kiss this motor, bro. Don't AO me, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's all right, bro. It's just a little smooch, bro. know what I'm saying? It ain't to you, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's to the car. Or maybe if your girl watching. Nah, I'm playing, yeah. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. I think, bro, I know it has like a power steering lead, bro. I just can't figure out if it's coming from like where it's coming from, to be honest, y'all. And I think also part of me just don't feel like going through the work to figuring out where it's coming from. But right now, I gotta go to in the crib, bro. I gotta actually. Why is there a balloon wall like rolling around the front of my crib, bro? Oh shit, I keep forgetting it's a lamp. But anyways, I'm about to go actually edit the content I got. Take a look at the pictures I took. I might actually edit some clips up already. But oh my god, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. I love this car, bro. Like, as much as it got problems and stuff, oh, it's just fun, bro. It's just fun because like I could beat on it, bro, and not be too stressed about like fucking stuff up, bro. Okay, see how I'm backing up, bro? Backing that thing up. That's how that girl be. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see how I backed that up, bro? Not me, but you know what I'm saying? That's how shorty be backing it up. Ooh, I look down. I look down, I'm like, oh, I hit the little waistline. Oh, Lord. My bad. I'm tripping, bro. I'm sorry, y'all. You know what I'm saying? With day almost over, I'm enjoying the being home part. My bad, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I had to suffer through that little like minute of me being a little crazy, but it's okay. I'm sorry.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Y'all, I just wanted a late night mission. I'm not gonna lie, it's mad dark. I'm sorry for it being so dark, y'all. But bro, I was kind of sleeping, avoiding like real big boy responsibilities, unfortunately. And I got a phone call, and it's from the guy who did the paint correction for my car. I'm gonna show you what that paint correction looks like too, cause bro, he did an awesome job, yo. It's crazy. I'm gonna plug his shop too, cause bro, you know what I'm saying? You just never know like who needs some work, bro. But y'all, especially when it's good work, y'all. Y'all know this car don't ever go to a shop, yo. So for this car to go somewhere, bro, it had to be good work. But yo, he calls me like, you want to pick it up tonight? I'm like, shit, I'll be there, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I went go pick up the G. I'm back in the G. I'm like, damn, bro. Yo, y'all, when I show wait till the daylight. I'm gonna take some B-roll of this car, y'all. This shit looks so good, bro. Like, it looks so good, y'all. And it's all gonna make sense why I did that paint correction for the G, y'all, and everything in the long run. But yo, I just gotta tell y'all that, bro. Realistically, what I would have been doing at nighttime, bro, was probably car shopping. I'm like a late night Facebook Marketplace scroller, bro, and like looking at Auto Tempest, Car Gurus, cause like I'm trying to get, like I said, y'all already know I'm trying to get a new car, bro. I can't tell you what car yet, but I'll probably tell y'all like next week or something like that, because then it'll be kind of closer. But y'all already know, bro. So I'm like, damn, bro, I didn't even do that, bro. I just fell asleep, y'all. So L Jalen for falling asleep instead of dealing with my responsibilities and stuff. But you know what I'm saying, y'all, sometimes you just gotta get some rest, bro. Your body needs some rest, bro. But didn't do that. Picked up the G now. The G's back at the crib. Sound is loud. I ain't gonna lie, this thing rumbling right now. Let me open the door. Y'all hear that? I don't know if y'all can hear it for real, bro. It rumbling, y'all. So I'm just gonna call it a night, bro. You know what I'm saying? Video done for y'all. Y'all can always catch me, yo. This has been my, like, today, y'all, is low-key a regular day for me, yo. Not like I always get paint corrections and stuff like that, or I'm always taking my car to the shop and stuff, but going to work, you know, so I linked up with my bro, talked to him about some stuff, you know, so working on some content ideas for, you know, moving bigger and further in life. The G, I just always take care of the G, y'all. So yeah, that's just regular regardless, y'all. Like, that's always gonna happen. But the blue G, that's the first time I ever drove that car to work, y'all. Today was the longest drive that car I've ever been on, and the fastest it's ever been, y'all. 70 miles per hour is the fastest car it's ever been since I've owned it. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. So it was just fun doing that. I recorded content, so y'all kind of got a little bit behind the scenes with the content video I was doing, the update video. I saw my morning routine. That's me on a regular in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I try to spice up a little bit more and do more stuff. Then, like, you know, maybe brush my hair a little bit longer, because I'm gonna make sure I got my lotion on so my skin ain't dry. But all in all, y'all, this is probably like the most me I've been able to show on camera. And I don't know if y'all gonna like this or not. Some of y'all may not be like, yo, to show the cars, that's it. But I want to be able to, like, you know, be myself and show myself more, like, my personality, who I am, like, who is Jalen behind the garage. You know what I'm saying? Like, forget the garage part. This is Jalen as a person, y'all. And I do be chatting a lot. I do be rambling, but that's also part of me, y'all. So if y'all feel like this video, definitely let me know down below, y'all. Like, you know, I read all the comments, y'all. Like, there may be a comments, like, comment to I don't reply to or something like that. Or if you reply to my comment, I may not reply back right away, but I read all the comments. People who DM me too, if you DM me stuff, ask you questions, I do reply to DMs. And maybe sometimes it's later than normal, but I do reply to my DMs as well, bro. So definitely, y'all saying, hit your boy up. Let me know, y'all, if y'all fuck with this vibe, or if you have any suggestions or ideas I should do or something else, like, let me know, y'all. I'm game for hearing all that stuff. I never shut down any ideas. I listen to everything, because you never know who's telling you something that may guide you in the right way, yo. So anyways, y'all have a good day, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Stay blessed, bruh. And peace.